Il est là le modèle.
Some good K-Kona W contact.
Dans j'ai NBC One. Oh, Ascended. Alright, yeah, we're gonna.
Hello.
Jesus, dude.
And there you can see the enormity
X,
of
did you know that
what
in
appears to be
mechanics, a free matter is described by
explosion,
a
whether
wave
that was
function? The particle
Wait, did they just
properties
put
of
on
the matter
repeat?
become apparent when we measure its position and velocity. Yes. Wow.
whether that's the
Way too smart.
Uh-oh. This one looks pretty close, chat.
Watch this funny ass clip of Soja
That
Boy
looks
extreme
way too
brain
close.
zone
first explosion or the second explosion is not clear, but that is what
3
the
months
authorities or
less
state
than 3.
media says is a fireworks warehouse, and you can see
Thanks for the
actually
pod streams
firecrackers or some sort of
xQcl.
subsidiary explosions going on there. But those pictures just in, and there another explosion.
Did you have a good rest, Mr. Cow?
Jesus, man.
Much of Beirut is shattered this morning by one of the most powerful peacetime explosions
Wow,
ever.
xQc
The
looks
will
so
to
cute
live
today in that
remains
crusty-ass
strong
shirt,
even after
flushed
this.
face.
A survivor this morning found
Okay. Wait, this is actually crazy. No, that wasn't TOS, there's
time
nothing.
explosions ever, but the will
There's no blood, there's nothing. Dude, this looks like a fucking... Holy shit, dude!
this morning by one of the most powerful peacetime explosions ever, but the will to
That is crazy.
safe distance. Whoa! They film from passing cars miles away. A mushroom cloud hung over Beirut.
Is like an earthquake.
Okay. What else? 8 hours ago.
Let me begin by sending America's deepest sympathies to the people of Lebanon, where reports indicate that many people were killed. Hundreds more were very badly wounded in a large explosion in Beirut. Our prayers go out to all the victims and their families. The United States stands ready to assist Lebanon. We have a very good relationship with the people of Lebanon, and we will be there to help. It looks like a terrible attack.
On Lebanon, you called this an attack. Are you confident that this was an attack and not an accident?
Well, it seemed like it based on the explosion. I've met with some of our great generals, and they just seemed to feel that it was. This was not a some kind of a manufacturing explosion type of event. This was a seems to be, according to them, they would know better than I would, but they seem to think it was a attack. It was a bomb of some kind. Yes.
Interesting.
Why is there Papega? Is that true? Is that... who knows?